Wouldn't it be wonderful to know what your pets are thinking at any time, so that if they wanted to go outside, you'd know it? Well, the PetSafe Doorbell will help you communicate with your pets in a whole new way. The PetSafe Doorbell can be installed in nearly any environment, and it will let you know when your pets need in or outside. Your pets will wear a SmartKey on their collar that will let you know whenever your pet is within range of the door. It's super easy to install. This video will show you how to do it and how to set up your SmartKey. You and your pets are going to love the PetSafe Smart Doorbell. Choose the location for your pet doorbell on the inside of your door, measuring approximately 24 inches from the floor. Using the doorbell mounting plate as a guide, mark the lower left hole on the inside of your door. If you are installing the external antenna and doorbell mounting plate into a solid core door, you will need to drill a 3/32 pilot hole for each metal screw provided. If you are mounting these pieces to a hollow core door, you will need to drill a 3/16 hole and use the drywall anchor and screws provided. From the outside, feed the antenna wire that is attached to the external antenna through the hole. Position the external antenna housing over the hole. Using a 3/16 drill bit, drill a hole for the mounting screw. Mount the external antenna to the door using the supplied screw. Feed the lower antenna wire through the lower left mounting screw hole on the mounting plate. Holding the mounting plate in position, mark 2 of the top mounting keyholes. Add a final mounting screw if you prefer. Thread the external antenna wire through the lower left hole of the mounting plate. Position the mounting plate on the 2 screws and tighten them. Reconnect the antenna wire to the connector within the doorbell housing unit. Route the excess antenna cable around the batteries within the doorbell housing unit. Follow the instructions provided in your packaging, and now snap the unit into place. Now you'll want to set up your SmartKey. Hold the power button and the learn button simultaneously until the green light begins to flash. Bring the SmartKey within range of the doorbell. The doorbell will recognize the SmartKey when the green light stays on for 2 seconds. Attach the SmartKey to your pet's collar and you're ready to begin using your doorbell. You're sure to enjoy the PetSafe Doorbell, and we know that you're going to enjoy having your pet be able to tell you exactly when he needs to go in or out. If you encounter any problems during your installation, our trained customer care agents are available to assist you.